I love kids' room makeovers. Unlike adult rooms, you can play around with crazy colors and patterns and themes on the little one's spaces, and the kids love it regardless of the outcome. In this video, I have combined my love for both into a list of ideas that transform use ordinary pieces to create extraordinary spaces. 1. Pastel wardrobe and drawer set. Spruce up the white Stuva wardrobe and chest of drawers by painting them with colors that match your kids' room decor. 2. Kids' dream bed for two. Encouraging your little ones to crawl into bed early is every parent's dream. It is a difficult feat, but not impossible. Try converting their bed into a playhouse and see if it does the trick. 3. A little girl's charming wardrobe. Create this charming wardrobe with two IKEA products. Use the IKEA Besta TV bench for the wardrobe base and reading nook. The IKEA Stuva can be mounted on the leftmost side, and shelving can be installed on the opposite side. 4. Dreamy loft bed for kids. The Kura reversible bed is already a delightful loft for kids to snooze in, but that doesn't mean you can't add your personal touch to it. Go ahead and recreate the look of this Kura bed. You'll need wallpaper, curtain clips, flag garlands, cafe curtains, scissors, measuring tape, and of course, your creativity. 5. Whimsical Playhouse. This hack is another take on the IKEA Kura combined with the Tro-Fast storage bins. Add the whimsical feel-through safe and quality fairy lights. 6. From plastic to wood finish storage. Create a playful look by transforming your Tro-Fast bins into huge domino pieces. Create the domino knots using self-adhesive contact adhesive paper. Throw in a checkered black and white rug and hang some black and white pom-pom garlands to complement the domino's color scheme. 7. Lego storage cubes. I've never met a child who dislikes Lego. Why not create bigger versions of these famous blocks to serve as storage spaces atop their desks? All you need are a few IKEA IKEA cubes, wood for the doors, craft wooden discs, and pastel-colored spray paints. 8. Kids Sensory Table. Setting up a kids' sensory table may seem a troublesome and costly venture, if not for the IKEA Flissat. Try this sensory table setup to introduce your little one to the world of pandas and orangutans. 9. Easy Easel Upgrade. The IKEA Mala easel is excellent because it has a chalkboard on one side and a whiteboard on the other. The only thing is, it only comes in one color, which sometimes makes it an uncoordinated piece in your child's bedroom or playroom. 10. Fun colored cabinets. High gloss and vibrant colored cabinets may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's a sure win for kids. All you need are some Besta cabinets and paint to match the color of your choice. 11. Contemporary Play Kitchen. Sometimes, kids want to play with toys that resemble the real thing as close as possible. In this case, transform your IKEA Duke Tig Play Kitchen into a contemporary look to match your kitchen. This kitchen used modern colors along with a marble contact paper countertop. 12. Colorful spice racks for your nursery door. These spice racks were mounted on the actual nursery door. Now isn't that a smart solution for limited spaces? 13. Kitchen fit for a princess. Pretend play is something kids of all ages never get tired of doing. Little girls especially love mimicking mommy on their pretend kitchen. Let your little girl pretend play in style by refurbishing a standard IKEA Duke Tig. 14. Neat and tidy storage solution. Toy storage bins are bound to be full of clutter, but if you play your decor cards right, you can create a balance of beauty in chaos. Simply match your storage solutions to your child's room theme to create a beautiful, tidier look. 15. Pretend food stall. Turn an IKEA bookshelf into a food stall and fill it with anything your little one wants to sell for the day. Sweets, beverages, pastries, burgers, anything yummy. 16. Wall-mounted study desk. Create a dedicated spot for your older kids so they can focus solely on their work. This example made of the wall-mounted Svalnas desk and accompanying Svalnas wall upright. To store their stationery, use a bamboo desk organizer to complete the desk's bamboo theme. 17. Sensory Play Desk. Make playtime fun and new every week with an IKEA Flissat children's table. The table is an absolute gem for encouraging sensory play in toddlers.